Welcome to Friendly Math 101. Today's lesson is over. Angle addition. Here's our first example. It tells me that the measure of angle AOB is 50. So let's find angle AOB. First we're going to start with A, then go to O, then to B. So AOB here, this angle is 50 degrees. The measure of angle BOC is 35. So here's BOC, 35 degrees. It wants to know the measure of angle AOC. So let's find AOC. Well, it's actually these two added together. So to find AOC, I'm going to add 50 degrees plus 35 degrees, and I'll get my answer as 85 degrees. Here's my next example. I'm given the measure of angle BOC is 105. So BOC is 105 degrees. Now I want to find AOB. So I want to find this missing angle here. Well, it doesn't give me the entire thing, so it's a little bit hard to figure out AOB. However, I can see that this is a straight line, and straight lines have an angle measure of 180. So these two angles are called supplementary angles, because when you add them together you get 180. So this whole thing is 180. We know this 105 piece, we want to figure out the rest, so we just subtract and we get 75. So my answer here is 75 degrees. That's the measure of AOB. My next example looks a little complicated. We're given a few angle measures here, and we want to find the other one. So I'm actually going to label everything that I can. Now, I see this right angle symbol here, so that means AOB is 90 degrees. So is every single one of these, since we have perpendicular lines here. That means this is also 90 degrees. This whole thing here is also 90 degrees. This part of it is 60, so what's left is 30. This here is 90 degrees. This part of it is 15, so what's left is 75. Now I can go ahead and answer what it wants me to find. So the first one says measure of angle FOA. FOA, I already wrote down there, it's 30 degrees. The measure of AOB. AOB is here. I wrote that one down as well, 90 degrees. The measure of angle BOC. BOC is here, 75 degrees. And the measure of angle AOC. AOC is this big angle here, so I'm actually going to have to add these two together to figure out what it is. So it's going to be 90 plus 75, which gives me 165. So that is 165 degrees. You could have also looked to see this is the angle here is 180, this part is 15, so what's left over is 165. So there's a couple ways you could have done that one. Thank you for watching, and for more math tutorials please subscribe to our channel, Friendly Math 101.